called Soup's On. We'll be making some healthy soup with over 23 different pieces. And along the way, I'll be teaching you about colors and why veggies are good for you. Nothing's better than soup when you're feeling under the weather, so let's start making some. Here's everything that comes with the set. Let's look at everything a little closer and I'll tell you about each piece. First, we have the pot. The pot is blue, orange, and green. It has a lid that you can put on to simmer the soup. There's also handles on the side for you to pick it up. And that little cutout here is so the spoon can stick out. Next, we have 2 purple bowls so you can share some soup with your friends. These bowls are super durable, so don't worry about breaking it if you accidentally drop it. Here's an orange ladle. It has a deep spoon so you can scoop up all those veggies. Next, we have 2 green spoons. Green is the color of kiwis and 4-leaf clovers. You know what else is green? Celery! And the Hulk, and Mike Wazowski. Next, we have 3 orange carrots. Orange is the color of pumpkins and tangerines. Here we have 3 yellow noodles. Yellow is the color of bananas and school buses. Next up is purple onions. Purple is the color of Barney and Sophia the First's dress. Here's some red tomatoes. Red is the color of Elmo and strawberries. And last but not least, we have some red and yellow potatoes. When I think of something that's red and yellow, the first thing that comes to mind is McDonald's.
Those golden arches.
All right, let's make some soup. The first ingredient I'll put in